viewers. Hope you all are doing great and having a fantastic time. And Alhamdulillah, I'm also having a fantastic time by the grace of Almighty Allah. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you something different. Yeah, it's totally different, and it's new in my page and my channel. So it's going to very interesting for you. So don't scroll, watch the video. Today, you may be someone noticed I upload a photo in my base. And first of all, I want to say with you something different, something another. I don't care about this. Who is watching me and who is not? Who is caring about me and who is disturbing? This is not fact to me. The matter is, I am with my own, with me and with my dream. So that is why I am just working for my dream. This is not who is disturbing of my things, which is of my acts, which I am doing daily. So that is why if you don't like my video, don't like me, don't needs never something that you have to must do this. So you can leave the place. So by the way, today in the morning, yes, I didn't wake up. Yes, it's I woke up early in the morning, but I can't practice my English perfectly. That is why I can't upload any video in the uploaded any video in the morning. That is why I decided and I get a plan that if I do something different within 5 days, how we can improve our speaking. And even if you are beginners, if you don't start your speaking, then it also will help you for. So that's why I arranged this like this, and also finally obviously I took help of AI, artificial intelligence, because without it's impossible to do arrange these all things immediately and within some minutes. That is why I took help of AI, and also I think it will be helpful for a person uh, very obviously, very effectively it will work, because there I noticed that the things he arranged AI arranged that very carefully, and also it's suitable for a beginners, because it's used very simple words and with Bangla meaning, so that's why it's also helpful. And by the way, if you want to, then you also can comment me if you think different, then it don't match with me. If you make it this way, then it will be helpful for me, then you can comment me, because you if you know your problem, then it's also makes this more more advanced. By the way, because I am uploading and I'm speaking this now, because it's not just today, it's not today start and today last, it will be continue future next 4 days. This is the first day. That is why it's also I will upload more contents, and I also discuss about these things, about this challenge in future next 4 days, because I think it will be greatly helpful for you in next 5 days, next 4 days, and also I will give some guidelines about this and how you can start your speaking, because many persons have they want to learn, they want to start, but they don't know how they will start, they don't find the starting point. So this is why I want to I do something about them for them. That is why I start and I took this challenge. And so that's all for now, and don't want to make this for more long, because I know that long video many persons don't like, because in today's world our viewers like as much as the video, as less as the video will short. So that is why that's all for now, and see you again in another video. And until that time, practice your English and let me know about your feelings, about your opinion, how you are feeling about this things I about this challenge, about this task I took. And also I want to say something in this video, that like these things, like these talents, you also can take some simple and easy tricks. It's also helpful for you, and when you will complete this tricks, then you can give you some and simple rewards, so it's also your mind attracts that after completing this kinds of small things, this kind of small of simple challenge, then you will getting rewards. So by this way, and you can do this, you can take your actions, it will make boost to your actions. So that's all for now, and have a great day.